Having deadbolt strike plate issues on your door, with it being all torn apart throughout the years, this old portable house does, and is not very secure. Let's do a quick fix without ripping apart the door frame and making it secure again. Let's go. Okay, the plan is to put this metal plate over the opening, right there, and secure it in with screws. I want to make sure these screws are long enough so a grown man couldn't just open the door. That's not what I mean. I mean pull on the door. Let's drill some starter holes so the wood won't crack when I put in the screws. This metal plate is actually thicker and stronger than it looks. I couldn't bend it at all with my hands. Over here. Line the holes up and drive the screws.
It's like you have the back of my hand.
How much glue do you need? Right there. Okay, I think we're good.
I put 4 screws in total to make it pretty strong, and then screwed on wood trim over it. I could have made this look nicer with wood that went the length of the door and paint it, but we're not concerned about the looks, just want to make the door functional. This deadbolt I'll end up replacing, but a quick job done. Again, not pretty, but back to being functional. Putting this type of sheet metal around a destroyed door bolt is much better and quicker than redoing an entire door frame. If you know of a better and easier way, leave me a comment. I hope this helps you, and if it did, hammer that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I promise you there are much better how-tos than this one.